Hello, fellow Rotarians. I would like to introduce you to the My Body is My Body program. I'm Chrissy Sykes, the founder and the CEO of the My Body is My Body Foundation. It's a world-renowned initiative designed to educate children about body safety through engaging, age-appropriate music, activities, and animated videos. Our program has been designed for 3 to 10-year-olds and is making a real difference in communities by enhancing positive peace and protection from abuse. Child abuse is a hidden epidemic affecting over 1 billion children around the world every year. We have to work within communities around the world to educate parents, teachers and children about preventing abuse so that we can spare children a lifetime of problems like learning difficulties, depression, substance abuse, relationship problems and mental health disorders, to name just a few. Our initiative is an open source program that has made significant impact worldwide, reaching over 2 million children in more than 60 countries. And currently, it's available in 27 languages. We invite you, the esteemed members of Rotary, to join us in expanding this vital program. Your involvement can propel its reach even further, helping safeguard more children against abuse. There are numerous ways to contribute, from sharing our program within your communities and recruiting volunteers to learn our program using our free courses and resources, to initiating activities that utilize the program's songs and lessons, for example, school presentations where the children can sing the songs. All of these highlight the subject of body safety in a positive and fun educational setting. So I invite you all to become part of our global partnership with Rotary and register on our website, and let's work together to protect and empower our children. You'll find all the information you need below this video to get started. So thank you.